You ever look back at your Etsy journey and think, wow, I really made that harder than it needed to be? Today, I'm sharing the 5 biggest Etsy mistakes that wasted my time, so you can skip the frustration and get straight to the results. Hey, I'm Harry from the Print Shop Pro, where we make print on demand feel fun and profitable. If you love Etsy tips that actually save time, hit subscribe and let's fix these mistakes together. Mistake number 1. I treated Etsy like a social media instead of a search engine. I'd post designs like I was posting photos. No keywords, no SEO, just cute designs. And then wonder why nothing sold. Etsy isn't scrolling for entertainment. It's searching to buy something. Once I realized that and learned keyword strategy, things changed completely. By the way, if you want to see what's actually selling, EverBee is a tool I use and link below. Check it out, it helps support the channel. Mistake 2. I chased every trending product I ever saw on TikTok. One week it's teacher shirts, next it's mushroom candles, and guess what? I ended up with half-open shop full of random things. Now, before launching anything, I test it. I look for proof of sales, steady searches, and low competition. Again, EverBee makes this easy. It shows product sales right in the search results. Number 3. I wasted hours on overcomplicated Canva designs. Sometimes simple sells. Bold text, clean color palette, and one idea per product. Don't design for designers, design for buyers. Now, using AI, I can make 5 listings in the time that used to take me to make 1. For designs, I like to use Kittle. Again, link in the description. It's an affiliate link. It helps support the channel. Mistake number 4. Trying to do everything by myself. Uploading mockups one by one, writing titles manually, copying descriptions. No wonder I was burnt out. Now I use tools like Printify's duplication feature and EverBee to pre-fill title ideas. It's a game changer. And number 5, never checking analytics. Ouch! I uploaded listings and hoped for magic. Wrong. You need to check what keywords are bringing clicks, where traffic's dropping, and what's converting. The fastest progress I made happened when I looked at my data weekly and adjusted, not when I uploaded 50 more designs. So there they are, my top 5 Etsy mistakes you can skip completely. If this helped, hit subscribe. It tells YouTube you care about growing your print-on-demand business the smart way. And huge thanks to EverBee. It's seriously the only research tool I recommend. Links in the description, and it helps keep this channel going. Again, I'm Harry from the Print Shop Pro, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's get your Etsy shop growing the right way this year.